out and ruined, and I'm going to show you, even if you have a rusty cast iron pan or skillet, how easy it is to clean that baby up. So I think you guys can see my pan is pretty nasty. It's been out for 24 hours. I have not touched it. So what I do is I basically take my scraper, right, and I scrape everything off. Now, if you have a well-seasoned pan, it's going to scrape just like this. I did not do anything to prepare for this video. I literally left this out overnight. And I just take off the extra gook because I don't want to put it in my sink and clog up my pipes. Right? Nobody wants to do that. So I take off as much as I can. And I'm going to throw this in the garbage when I'm done with this video. But look at how easy that was, right? So now once you have it scraped off, we're going to wash it. Now, if for some reason yours doesn't scrape off like that, what you're going to do is you're going to run really, really hot water. You're going to give it about a 5-minute soak just to loosen up the grime or whatever's on there. Or you could put it back on your stove and heat it up for 5 minutes. Whatever it is, you don't want to leave the water in there for more than 5-10 minutes soaking, because otherwise it will get rusty because it is metal, and you obviously don't want to do that. So what I do is I take a regular pad, and first thing I do is I rinse out whatever's left on the bottom. Now, if you could see all the beading on here, that is because my pan is really nicely seasoned. Right? Now, you don't have to use soap and water if you don't want. Some people say don't. I'm telling you, I've had this for years and it still looks brand new. I take my sponge and I just do a one-over like that. I don't want to scrub it because I don't want to mess up all my seasoning, right? Now I'm going to rinse my sponge. I'm going to rinse my hands. And I'm going to rinse the pan. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to rinse the bottom. And as you can see, it is still beading, right? How awesome is that? Now I'm going to put it here. I'm going to shut this off, and I'm going to take my towel and I'm going to dry it. Now, if you need to re-season your pan, you're going to use a scouring pan, and you're going to get off all the rust, and then you're going to put it in your oven for up to 2 hours on like 500 degrees, and you're going to put it upside down, and then you're going to grease it. Well, first you want to grease it a little bit and then turn it upside down. Then you're going to grease it again, and you're going to do it one more time, and it should be like brand new. Now, if you could see, it's not as shiny as it's supposed to be. So this is where I come in, whoops, with a paper towel and a little bit of oil. So I'm going to put a little bit of vegetable oil. You could put whatever kind of oil you want, but I prefer to use vegetable oil. And I'm going to rub it just like that. I'm going to do it one more time to get all the excess oil out. And that is it. Look at how beautiful this pan is. It's like brand new. I'm going to go over the bottom just a little bit. We don't want it all greasy. We don't want it to start a fire. And that is it. This is a brand new, beautiful skillet, but I've had it for years. You would never know. All right, guys, if you like my video, hit subscribe, hit like. If you didn't like it, keep your opinions to yourself. Have a good day, everybody.